Hi everyone, I am Pop-Up Card from the Richfield Library. Would you like to see my insides? Meh. Look, they're 3D. Do you want to make a pop-up card as cool as me? Stay tuned. Alright, so to make your very own pop-up card, you will need cardstock, which is sort of a heavy paper, markers, you will need scissors, you will need some form of glue, and decorations. If you signed up for this program through the Richfield Library, you will have all of this stuff except for the scissors and markers. So go grab your scissors and markers and let's get crafting. I'm going to start by choosing a color for my card. I think I'm going to make my main card blue. So I'm going to fold this in half. And I have the basis for my card. So what I want to do is I want to be able to open my card and then have sort of paper that'll sort of spring up. It'll be very exciting. It'll be a pop-up card. So what do I want to spring up? How about a pink heart? All right, so now I'm going to cut out my friendly heart. There we go. And I think I'm going to put it right there. So now comes the pop-up part of our pop-up card. So to do this, we're going to cut out 2 rectangles. Now we're going to fold our rectangles. I like to do them on top of each other and do them together, because that way it's easier to get the same number of folds. We're going to fold the top part in half like that. Then we're going to go up the other way and then down to make a series of triangles. The longer your rectangle, the more of these little triangles you will have. We have 2 of them. Mine kind of look like the letter M. So how we get it to pop up is we're going to glue the back of our heart to the top of our triangle shape. And we're going to glue this side of the triangle to our card. And I like to use 2 of these triangle shapes because I find it's more stable so that my pop-up object doesn't just flop over. But you can experiment. You can use 1 triangle shape, you can use 2, you can use as many as you want. So again, I'm going to glue the top, then glue that to my heart. All right, now I'm going to glue the bottom part to my card. Oops. I need to do it on camera so you can see. Do the glue. And now, where did I say I was going to put it? Right there. Now I'm going to hold it down till the glue is nice and dry. And there it goes. You can sort of see. Yes, it's 3D. So that's how you do it. I'll do one more just to show you again how it works. But you have the knowledge now, so you can do it on your own if you want. What else should I add? I'm going to add a moon. So I have my shape. Now it's time for the rectangles. I'm going to make the rectangles red again. I'm going to put them on top of each other so I can fold them at the same time. And then I'm going to fold down. And this one I'm just going to do up, down and up. So this one makes like the letter Z. Again, I have 2 of them because I like using 2, but you can use however many you want. I'm going to put glue on the top, then put it on the moon. I'm gonna put glue on the top of this one and stick it to my moon. Now put glue on the bottoms. 1, 2. They're both glued. And glue it to my card. There we go. Hold down till it's firmly glued in place. Look, the moon is smiling at you. And bam. All right, thank you for joining us, everyone. Hopefully you made a pop-up card as beautiful as me. Yay!